Hello everyone. I'm going to first introduce about me and my teammates. I am Rajkumar Tyagarajan, Ramesh Murugesan, Vimaljit, and Dharanish Kumarapalayam Saravanan. They are my teammates. We all going to explain about the lean production at HSBC. Is our whole presentation and our presentation topic. I'm going to tell about the introduction of the lean production and the lean production was initiated and developed by the organization many decades ago, and the lean production was initially developed for the manufacturing and adoption by the manufacturing companies, and it's now widely used in service organization. In this content of lean production, this presentation will critically review lean production globalization impact on lean production adoptions and lean production adoptions impact on one of the organization, which is a non-manufacturing service organizations. This presentation chooses HSBC as a non-manufacturing service organization. HSBC belongs to financial services. It implementations lean productions to reduce waste, improve customer services, and enhance operational efficiencies. But might face issues in lean productions implementations, which will be discussed here with solutions as well. The next is I'm going to tell about how lean production was born. Lean production was initiated as well as developed in the post-war era of Japan, specifically out of Toyota Production System (TPS). Lean production strategies focused on the minimization of waste reductions of inefficiencies. The Taichi Oho, who developed the just-in-time system to make production line correspondent to demand, and Chigo Shingo, who improved process control and introducing mistake proofing, also known as Pocoyoco. Lean production emphasizes minimized delay, reducing cost, and minimizing productivity. Originally, it was applied on used in manufacturing, but lean production concepts have been adopted into service industries like banking, healthcare, and logistics. In today's world, lean production helps HSBC in many ways in the sphere of digital banking and risk management. The next slide I'm going to present why lean production was born. Lean production was formulated with the intention of reducing the flaws and shortcomings of traditional mass productions in the period of after the war. Toyota was requiring manufacturing cars of high quality with limited resources. This is why, in terms of lean production, the lean production principles of just-in-time productions, Kaizen and Jidoko were developed to optimize resources uses, reducing cost, and improve overall efficiencies. Subsequently, these principles evolved into the services industries and also affected the finance industries. HSBC still employs lean productions in banking operations and minimizing paperwork and so on, enhance customer services response times. The next slide, why lean production was developed. Lean productions developed due to fact of effectiveness of production, reduce waste, improve qualities, and increasing efficiencies. An organization faces significant global competitions and customer demands for high qualities, low cost productions and services. Lean principles make it possible to complete and fulfill the demand of customers. Lean problems have evolved been adopted various sectors like healthcare, finance, and IT sectors. It is important to note that key drives to lean productions develop the global competitions, customer unique demands, technologies, and globalizations and self-interest to some extents. In HSBC, lean productions used in the banking procedures improve the customer services and the elimination of the long hours taken in the completion of financial transactions. Here, digital banking, automations, and AI drive services have come to recognize as lean for today's complex global service organization like HSBC. The next slide will be going to presented by my friend Ramesh Murugesan.
Thank you, Rajkumar. Myself, Ramesh Murugesan. I am going to explain about impact of globalization, overview of HSBC, and then impact of environment. First one, I am going to explain about impact of globalization on the adoption of lean production. Globalization has made it easier for lean production principles to spread to other countries. Globalization has been a major factor in accelerating the implementation of lean production process across many industries due to competition, pressures on cost, customer demands, and regulations. As organizations expand globally, they face increased competition, regularity compliance, and unique customer expectation, cost pressure, and the need for operational efficiency. Lean production offers the use of efficient process which can help to enhance the organizational flow of work, cost reduction, and customer satisfaction. Through the sharing of knowledge as well as ideas across the globe, the use of lean production methodologies has further developed with globalization. Next slide. The next slide, I am going to explain about overview of HSBC. Globally, HSBC is one of the largest and leading bank that deals with four segments include retail banking, wealth management, and corporate banking. More than 60 countries, HSBC has operations and over millions of customers across the globe take services of it. The bank commitment to sustainability, operational excellence, and customer satisfaction makes it an ideal choice to implement the principles of lean production. Lean production helps HSBC to improve customer service, financial process, and efficiencies. Next slide. The next slide, I'm going to explain about impact of lean production adoption on the environment of HSBC. In terms of HSBC, lean production adoption impacted digitally and operationally and physically environments. Its adoption optimizes the process of HSBC by reducing delays in loan approvals and transactions. By allowing less paperwork through digital banking, its adoption reduces the waste of HSBC at the same time significantly enhance the efficiency of employees at HSBC by allowing learn training. Furthermore, its implementation of learn ensures the environmental sustainability of HSBC by supporting green banking initiatives effectively. In addition, lean production adoption ensures effective customer satisfaction for HSBC by allowing faster service and fewer errors. It is important to note that lean production adopted at HSBC aligns with the sustainability goals, reducing carbon footprints and optimizing banking operations globally. Next slide. Lean production adoption at HSBC standardized workflows across global branches creates efficiency. In addition to that, its adoption at HSBC allows automated process to improve compliance tracking and fraud detection. Furthermore, HSBC's and machines learning HSBC adoption of lean production enhance risk management with AI and machine learning. Thus, it can be started that by embracing lean production. HSBC significantly strengthens its sustainability, digital transformation, and customer service efficiency, which make it a leading lean adapter in the financial industry. Thank you. My next slide is I'm going to explain about my friend Vimalji.
Thank you, Ramesh. Myself, Vimaljit Kaur. The slide is about best strategy for lean implementation in HSBC. In terms of successfully implementing lean production within organizational process, HSBC applied many strategies. However, best strategies for lean production implementation at HSBC include integrating AI and Outmotion, using standardized banking procedures, adopting Kaizen, implementing Lean Six Sigma, investing in employee training, reducing non-value activities, and expanding digital services. Next slide. Best strategies for lean production implementation. HSBC include implementing Lean Six Sigma, investing in employee training, reducing non value activities, expanding digital services. A structured approach for lean production implementation ensures long term lean success and reinforces HSBC competitive advantage in the global banking sector. Next slide. It is about a possible issue that might arise in HSBC due to lean production implementation. In applying lean production within organizational process, HSBC gains significant advantage, but lean production can present several challenges, include employee resistance, over reliance on automation, and a high initial investment. Next slide. HSBC lean production focuses on efficiency and reducing waste, but over optimization can lead to rigid process. If HSBC does not focus on or manage properly these challenges can be slow down its lean production adoption and long-term success. Next slide, presented by my friend Dharnesh.
Thank you, Vimal. Myself, Dharnesh Kumar Palayam Sharavanan. My topic is best mitigation strategy for possible issues. For overcoming the possible challenges of lean production implementation, HSBC need to effectively implement strong mitigation strategies. Best mitigation strategies in this context include the change the management programs, balanced terminations and strategy, regulatory compliance, flexibility, continuous trainings, and pilot test. Change the management programs can include the contacting employers and workshop and training season that might help to employees understand the benefits of lean production principles and reduce the resident. Moreover, a balanced automations and strategies and allows the interest of full replacement human oversight with AI. HSBC should maintain a combined collaborations of skilled employees and automations, adjust standard and overlays on automations challenges. Additionally, HSBC needs to tailor its lean production to fit different regulatory frameworks and worldwide for the regulatory compliance flexible is required. Next, in terms of addressing possible issues that might arise in HSBC due to lean production implementation, HSBC should context small scale pilots program in terms of testings. The lean production implementation effectiveness and in different part of the department. On the other hand, HSBC to address issues like resident to change should offering the other hands HSBC like address issues in resident to change should offering ongoing lanes and Six Sigmas training to ensure the employees are comfortable with the lean tools and methods like one by one planning, prepare the pilot test, implement the pilot test, environment to pilot test, launch to products. Next, I conclude our whole project in this. For HSBC lean production, ensure the operating operational efficiency, customer service, and environmental subjects. That's helping in HSBC apported to the globalization and increasing the competitions. Despite to the challenges, HSBC can successfully implement lean production by following basic strategy for implementation. On lean production and the best strategy for addressing possible issues and lean production implementation. HSBC needs to continuously refine to the production and approach the main competitive globalization. Benefits of lean project management, increase the efficiencies and productive, reduce cost and waste, implementations of customer certifications, ensure team collaborations. Next slide. It's our whole team reference. Thank you.